Beneath the soil, America's golden crop grows in silence until harvest time. But how do machines dig up, sort, and process millions of potatoes at lightning speed? From farm fields to your fries, how do high-speed machines turn raw potatoes into crispy snacks in just minutes? Billions of potatoes, high-tech machines, and lightning-fast processing. Ever wondered how your favorite fries are made? From ancient Incan farms to feeding an entire nation, potatoes transformed American agriculture. But how did this humble crop become a billion-dollar industry in the USA? Let's uncover the fascinating journey of potato farming to processing. It all starts with a special kind of seed, but not the usual ones. Seed potatoes are not your typical potatoes. They are specially cultivated tubers grown in disease-free farms. Each piece has the potential to sprout into a new potato plant. Only disease-resistant and high-yielding varieties are selected. Large potatoes are cut into smaller pieces, ensuring each one contains at least one eye capable of sprouting. Did you know that proper soil preparation is essential for a successful potato crop? In the U.S., farmers rely on advanced machinery and technology to create the perfect conditions for potato farming. The soil is plowed and tilled to loosen and aerate it, promoting healthy root growth. Fields are carefully leveled for efficient drainage and uniform plant development. To provide essential nutrients, farmers apply a mix of natural and chemical fertilizers, ensuring strong and productive plants. Timing is everything. In early spring, when the soil temperature reaches the perfect level, farmers begin planting. But how do they plant millions of potatoes with such precision? It's not by hand, it's by machine. Advanced planters cut through the soil, place seed potatoes at the exact depth, and cover them within seconds. Speed, accuracy, and innovation. This is how America's potato farms begin their journey. And in just a few months, these tiny seeds will transform into a golden harvest. After planting, the real challenge begins, nourishing the crop. Potatoes need a perfect balance of water and nutrients to grow into the golden tubers we love. Too much or too little can ruin an entire harvest. That's why farmers use precision irrigation and smart fertilization techniques to ensure each plant gets exactly what it needs. For the next few months, farmers carefully monitor the crop. Potatoes may be resilient, but they need protection from pests, diseases, and unpredictable weather. Eco-friendly sprays and natural predators help keep harmful insects away. Crop rotation maintains soil fertility, while advanced drip and pivot irrigation systems ensure even watering. A sign of success: when the plants flower, tiny potatoes begin forming underground. But patience is key, as they still need weeks to mature. As potato plants bloom with delicate purple and white flowers, it's a signal that the underground tubers are beginning to form. Farmers watch over their fields, knowing that with just a little more time, these tiny potatoes will grow into the bountiful harvest that feeds millions. After months of care, the moment has arrived. Harvest time. But harvesting isn't just about digging. It's a high-speed operation requiring precision and timing. Beneath this soil lies a hidden treasure, one of the world's most important crops, the potato. But harvesting millions of pounds of potatoes isn't just about digging them up. It's a race against time, using high-tech machines, expert farmers, and precision engineering to bring these golden tubers to your plate. Timing is everything. Before harvesting begins, farmers test the potatoes to ensure their skin is firm enough to handle the process without damage. If they're too soft, they won't survive storage or transport. 2 weeks before harvest, farmers cut off water to toughen the skin. The ground must be at the right moisture level to prevent bruising. Now the real action begins. These powerful machines can harvest hundreds of acres in just a few days, combining speed, efficiency, and care to protect every single potato. Windrowers dig beneath the potatoes using curved steel blades. They gently lift the crop and shake off excess dirt. The potatoes are placed in long, organized rows to make collection easier. The harvester picks up the rows, separating potatoes from stones and debris. Rubber conveyor belts ensure the potatoes are handled gently. An advanced air cleaning system removes dust and small particles. As harvesters collect potatoes, large trucks drive alongside, receiving the fresh crop. This prevents any delay, allowing continuous harvesting without stopping. Potatoes are carefully dropped from a height-controlled conveyor to avoid bruising. Every day, millions of potatoes are harvested across the USA, but their journey doesn't end in the fields. Before they reach your plate as crispy fries, crunchy chips, or creamy mashed potatoes, they go through an incredible high-tech transformation. The journey begins as truckloads of potatoes arrive at the processing facility, but not every potato makes the cut. Inspectors randomly select samples, checking for size, shape, and defects. High-tech AI scanners instantly separate high-quality potatoes from the rest. Next, the potatoes go through a deep cleaning process. High-pressure water jets remove dirt and debris, ensuring they are ready for processing. Industrial washers scrub off any remaining soil. Steam and friction-based peelers remove the potato skins in seconds. Now comes the transformation. These simple tubers are shaped into familiar forms we all love. High-speed blades cut potatoes into different sizes: fries, wedges, chips, or cubes. Laser precision. AI ensures every piece meets exact size and shape standards. The real magic happens here. Once cut, the potatoes go through different cooking processes depending on their final form. French fries, blanched, fried in pure vegetable oil, then flash frozen to lock in freshness. Potato chips, fried at precise temperatures to achieve the perfect crunch. Seasoning. Process. Rotating drums coat chips with flavors: classic salted, barbecue, or spicy. Before they reach your plate, these potatoes must be cooled and packed to maintain their freshness. Now, these perfectly processed potatoes are ready to be shipped across the country. From fast food restaurants to grocery stores, they travel thousands of miles to reach millions of consumers. From the soil to your plate, the journey of a potato is one of precision, innovation, and dedication. The next time you enjoy crispy fries or a bag of chips, remember the incredible process behind every bite.